What's up, guys? It's me, Willem. Hadn't been posting videos in ages, so I'm gonna keep on saying that, but I don't know. But today was a wee weird day. 15 minutes ago, or 15, 16, 17 minutes ago, I don't know when, heard strange noises out there. Not proving. I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth for real. It's just, yeah. So I'm gonna tell you the story about it. So here it is. Yeah, it was out there. It's now dark, and it happened when it was dark. You can't even see. Yeah, it's very dark, and yeah, it's dark. It's so yeah, it just happened. It sounded like an Indian guy. No, not an Indian guy. It sounded like an African American guy, singing an Indian song, and I told my nanny, and she thought, oh, probably it's just random noises. I don't know. Oh God, my battery's up. Okay. Yeah. So I told my nanny that, maybe it's just a drunk person being city everywhere. And being drunk and singing crazy songs. It's just people and 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 people everywhere being drunk and city. I'm just gonna end the video right here. Yeah, so I don't got a lot to say, so catch you later.